In this lesson, we'll be reviewing Boolean logic. Boolean logic is a fundamental concept in programming that deals with true and false values. It's named after George Boole, a mathematician who developed a system of logic. Boolean logic allows us to make decisions in our programs by evaluating conditions that can only be either true or false. How Python processes Boolean logic is through comparison operators and logical operators. Python evaluates expressions and returns either true or false as Boolean values. These Boolean values can then be combined using logical operators like and, or, and not to create more complex conditions. Now let's walk through the code. Boolean underscore logic.py with the pound sign or a hashtag in front is a comment naming our file. Comments in Python start with the hash symbol and are ignored during execution. Def main is where we're defining the main function. The def keyword creates a function, followed by the function name main with parentheses for parameters that are empty in this case, and a colon to start the function body. Print, with the open and close parentheses, the double quotes surrounding Boolean logic and expressions with the backslash in. Prints a title string. The backslash in is an escape character that creates a new line after the text. Age equals int, open parentheses, input, open parentheses, open double quote, enter your age, and we close all that out. This line does three things. Input displays the prompt and waits for user input as a string. Int, with the open and close parentheses, converts that string to an integer and the result is stored in the variable age. Has ID equals input. Do you have a valid ID? Yes, no. As that dot strip dot lower afterward, this gets user input and chains two string methods. Strip removes white space from both ends, and lower converts the text to lowercase for consistent comparison. Is adult equals age greater than or equal to 18 creates a Boolean variable using the greater than or equal to comparison operator. If age is 18 or higher, is adult becomes true. Otherwise, it's false. Has valid ID equals has ID equals yes in quotes. This uses the equality operator to compare the user's input with the string yes. When you see the word in quotes like that, you know it's a string. The double equal sign checks if two values are equal, returning true or false. Print statements showing comparison results are using F strings here, formatted string literals, to display the Boolean values. The F before the quotes allow us to embed variables directly in the string using curly braces. Allowed entry equals is adult and has valid ID. Again, this is the assignment operator. It's actually equals if it has two of these equal signs, or comparison logic if it has two. But with the single, it's an assignment. So allowed entry equals is adult and has valid ID demonstrates the and logical operator. Both conditions must be true for the result to be true. If either is false, the entire expression is false. And then we have the final result display, which is more F-string formatting to show the final Boolean result of our logical expression. Then we have these lines demonstrating other logical operators, showing the OR operator, which returns true if at least one of the conditions is true. The not operator applied to is adult, which flips the Boolean value. And then we see not applied to has valid ID. The F-string formatting here uses field width specifiers, like the curly brace with the single quote using or single quote colon, the lesser than symbol 12, and the closing curly brace. Here, the colon introduces formatting options. The less than sign left aligns the text, and 12 specifies the minimum field width, 12 character spaces. And then finally, the main execution block, the if dunderName equals sign, and in quotes the dunder main with the colon at the end, is a Python idiom that ensures the main function only runs when this file is executed directly, not when it's imported as a module. When Python runs a file directly, it sets the special variable name to the string main. This code demonstrates the 3 main Boolean operators in Python, and requires both conditions to be true, or requires at least one condition to be true, and not reverses the Boolean value. These operators follow Python's order of operations, with not having the highest precedence, followed by and, then or.